How to order samples on your Printify. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you all the steps that you actually need in order to have a sample or order a sample from your Printify. Now, this is going to be essential if you want to start business with Printify on your products, because you want to make sure that whatever you're selling is exactly what it is. You want to make sure that the quality is as you describe it to be and everything. So you will need to make sure that you have the proper thing in your hands, so you can actually go ahead and buy it yourself, see if it is exactly what it is or not. Now, to do so, first you will need to have some sort of a product that you already had designed. So make sure you have some designs of your own on your Printify account to do this. So if we just go to my products here, we can actually view the products that we have, and we can just obviously view them, customize them, or add new ones. It does not really matter here. Point is, you will need to have some sort of products on your store in order for this to work, obviously. So once you finish up your having your product and everything, you want to go to the My Products section on Printify. So just go ahead and open up your Printify account and go to My Products. And here again, you will find all the products that you have. And we don't really want to be in here. What we actually need is go to the top right, where you will find create order. And then from here, you will have manual, bulk, or sample. You will basically want to click on sample. And this is going to, create an order for you to receive your sample. So just go ahead and click on that. And then from here, you will have the list of all your products. Here is going to be, well, I only have one, but for you, if you have multiple products, is going to show up for you all the products. And if you want to search for them easier, you can feel free to do so from the search box up above. So select the one that you want to order a sample to, or from, or whatever it may be. And then with the product, there goes the variants that you have and all of those things. So you can feel free to also select the color and variant that you want to order a sample from. So we can just go for this one for the sake of this example. And again, if you have more variants, for example, the size variants, you can also feel free to choose whichever one that you want. So just go for the large one here. And now we pretty much want to complete the order. So now we have this with the color gray and also the size large. And we have the cost, and if you want to add more. So you can just go ahead and fulfill this. So you can click on shipping, and then here you would want to just complete your address and stuff, and then submit order at the end. And this is pretty much how to do so. So this is going to be obviously your information here, your address, your everything, so that they ship it to you. So this is pretty much how to do so. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.